best budgeting apps in 2024. Track your finances. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 best budgeting apps, in my opinion, in 2024. Okay. And we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end to get the full concept of how these budgeting apps work and what they provide you, what they bring you, what they actually give to you when it comes to using them. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you get the whole concept of how we're going to use this, because budgeting is great money saving tips, and who doesn't like saving money? And a lot of you users out there probably struggle with saving a lot of money for yourself if you're watching this video, just like me. And there's no shame in that. That is exactly why we use these apps. And I'm going to tell you the best budget saving apps that are out there, in my opinion. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this. So, these apps that I'm going to tell you are incredible. So, on the number one spot on the list, we have Every Dollar. So Every Dollar is an app that is pretty well renowned, and it's a pretty good budgeting app in my opinion. So the website is obviously everydollar.com. You can come straight over to it. It's a great application as well. You can check Every Dollar out through their main section on Ramsey Solutions. So to use Every Dollar, you can sign up on their main platform, and it's a basic version of Every Dollar, which is free, and it is not linked to any account, so you have to manually enter every single transaction that you do. That does not work for me, and I would not stick with it. But if you can, that's great. It's a great app and completely free. However, if you want to link your accounts, which is what I like, then you have to upgrade to a more premium account, if you know what I mean, because a premium account will work more better and give you more features. Now, obviously, you can check the pricings, but trust me, the pricings for the features that they give you are pretty incredible. And you can even try your premium plan for free. So go through it if you want to, and if you like it, then do make sure to use it as much as you want. And you can actually automatically go through and import all your transaction and categorize them, and that's intentional. Most budgeting apps will automatically do it for you, but if you want to be emotionally attached to your purchases, when a transaction pops up, so you just click on it and then you choose which category you want to go in. And that's what, Every Dollar does for you. So it gives you a whole plethora of features. It gives you a whole class of features to use from. And, it's a pretty good all-rounded general app. And I would definitely recommend you if you like everything done by the hand. Okay. Now, it's also great for syncing funds. Okay. You can choose different funds for yourself. You can choose different types of working for those funds and a whole lot more. So, that's the basic idea of how we are going to be using, Every Dollar. Now, moving on, let's go to another budgeting app. Now, this app is called Mint. Okay. Mint is a pretty famous budget tracker and planner app where you can manage money and simply work with the actual class and the type of money transferring schemes for yourself. And you can see all your accounts all in one place. Pretty simple. Keep your cash flow absolutely crystal clear, effortlessly track your cash flow, and gain insights that will help you see easy opportunities to save for yourself. Your finances get pretty safe and secure with a 256-bit encryption and multi-factor authentication, which you can protect your info as your own. Okay? And without Mint helping you, you get a pretty good general outlook. And Mint is one of the best free financial apps that I find. Okay? It gives you a free sign up. And if you want to invest into its premium versions, that will also give you a pretty nice work ethic to work with. And I would definitely urge users out there to use something like that for themselves. And obviously, moving on, you can add your current mileage for different vehicles. You can add your current mortgage, any down payment you want on your money. You can get a whole chart on it. And, just manage all your finances and your financial states in one place. And Mint has a pretty easy to use user interface as well, which is also why I like this a lot. This application gives you a whole interface to mess around with. It gives you all aesthetic to work with, and it's a pretty nice output. Okay. Now, moving on, once you get the idea of all of this, what you're going to do is you're going to move on to another pretty incredible and nice working app. Okay. Now, this app is my personal favorite. I call this one Personal Capital. Okay. Now, Personal Capital is a really nice and really, up there working app. It's really great for, getting your personal workings out there, and it gives you a nice working into your finances. Now, the thing about Personal Capital is that you get the capital dashboard of Personal Capitals that shows you pretty much everything all at a glance. And if you go to your network and actually see how your network works and how the graph of your network actually goes along, it's a pretty great place to work with. So once you come to Personal Capital, I'm going to go to its main website. Now, Personal Capital is definitely closely affiliated with Empower Movement, okay? Empower Capital. So you can link the accounts for those two and actually work with them. Okay, they work each other pretty well, and they give you a pretty good idea of how you can manage your finances, how you can manage the working of your finances, and categorize them differently in a set specific way. Okay, then moving on, you can add different finances and add your additional accounts for your budgeting, and it gives you a pretty good share of how you're going to work with your Empower, how you're going to work with your finances, and how you're going to budget your actual money belongings. Now, personally, what do I use or what do I like to use? Now, personally, if you're more of an ADHD freak or something like that, then I would recommend using something like Excel sheets. So, managing your finances on an Excel sheet is pretty incredible. I'm going to show you how it actually looks like. Because Excel really helps you because you're adding all the things by yourself customly. You can also, color grade it, give it some nice touches. You can actually record your transactions. You can add automations in Excel as well, where you can add in your yearly budget, your daily budget. You can add in your incomes, add in sectionings. Now, I personally want to go with stuff like this, but if you don't want to create a whole Outlook like this, what you can do is you can go over to Etsy. Okay, now website like Etsy.com, they basically go ahead and give you a monthly budget template. So if you go on Etsy and write monthly budget template, what this will do is it will give you an Excel or Google Sheets file, and you can actually get a whole template so you don't really need to add things customly by yourself and a whole lot more. So that's pretty much the general idea of how you're going to use things like these for, budgeting and financing yourself. So if that video was helpful, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.